The Adult English as a Second Language program is vibrant with a diverse student population. Each student helps to enrich the IVC community, and each learner has various goals and dreams. Recently, IVC celebrated the accomplishments of students who earned an AESL certificate.
The professor is very friendly and teach me about step by step. It gives me a confidence to speak in English.
Now I'm able to communicate more effectively, for sure, in a day-by-day basis. So to solve, day-by-day issues and problems with the manager in a restaurant, or when I go for shopping, or even in my kids' school and with teachers.
IVC offers 3 AESL certificates of competency students can earn, all of which require various course completion. A formal award ceremony was held, and the event also had a networking conversation opportunity, games, and food for all to enjoy. Many students spoke of their experience taking classes at IVC.
I am the student of AESL at IVC, and I love the way they care, they help.
In the classroom, I love to make friends with my classmates. I got a lot of new friends, and after class, I can hang out with them.
Our professors are so kind and nice.
Thanks to the amazing preparation and classes that I took here at Irvine Valley College, I have now a position at UCI, so I'm working there. And I am very proud to say that all the things that I learned here, all the tools, all the tips that I got from my classes, were very well applied to get my position at UCI.
Overall, the event was a huge success and a wonderful celebration for the students with their families and friends. If you would like to join IVC's AESL classes, please call 949-451-5510 for more information. We can't wait to meet you!